Alright, hey data pros, let's drill through in Tableau and Power BI. Let's cover drill through in this video. Why drill through? Why does this concept exist? Drill through is just a fancy way of saying navigation. It allows a user to further explore related data by clicking on a visualization. Now I'm in Power BI desktop and Power BI has a built-in drill through functionality. I created a video on drill through in Power BI to hide columns. You can check that in the card section at top right corner. But let's quickly see the implementation of drill through feature in Power BI. So this is a dashboard which I created earlier, and I have also created a video on this one. You can check that in my channel also. But to apply or to implement drill through functionality, we need a separate page where you can add a drill through column. So whenever you will click a new page, and at the visualization section you can see add drill through fields here. So what I did here, in the movie list I want to drill through to this year, like it's showing to 2020, sorry my bad, it's showing 2008, 6 count of movies. What are they? If I want to drill through particular that six of the movie names, that will be good enough. And when you go to page 1, okay, this is a drill through feature I tried to implement here. I just added the movie title here in this drill through section, and when I go back to movie list and suppose in 2018, I right click and drill through on page 1, which will navigate to me this here, and you can see those 6 of the movie titles with the name. And when you go back, want to go back, just click control and that arrow, you will go back to this dashboard. As you can see this page. So why this is helpful to end user? Because end user sometimes wanted to see which are the top performing sales or top performing cities, top performing countries, and in that top performing countries, like let's take example of USA. If top performing countries is USA, then straightforward the top performing categories also split provides the end user more detail. In that way, drill through functionality does a wonder to the end user by getting more functionality in the visualization. So let's hop into Tableau and see how drill through functionality can be applicable to Tableau. So here we are in Tableau desktop 2020.2 with a different workbook and a different data set. So this and the Power BI one I have created in my channel, you can check that. Both are available there. But Tableau doesn't have a built-in drill through feature, but there's a workaround for that. So let me show you how you can do that. To implement drill through, you need different separate sheet. I name it as a drill through, and suppose we want to implement in the sheet 4, we want to implement a drill through functionality by looking at 2002 year, 162 gold medals. So to implement that, we want to see country with the sum of gold medals. You can also do any other column instead of country, it will act the same. And you can see the grand total is here 3143, but it should be actually 162 gold medals. So to implement drill through functionality, we have to create actions. Let's remove the previous one, the older one, and in dashboard 1 should be selecting sheet 4. Target sheet will be drill through, and it should be on select basis. Click OK. Now let me check with the year 2002, 162 gold medals. I just clicked that and one filter action was taken place and the country is filtered by sum of gold medals 162. And this is how you can do a workaround for Tableau to implement drill through. Because Power BI has a built-in drill through functionality, I have to give a fair advantage to Power BI. It is good, it is better, and it is implemented very well compared to Tableau. But Tableau is not far behind. You can do a workaround and make it happen. So that's it, guys, and see you next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.